Start. So, after characteristics of political party, we have to know what there are some functions of political parties. Political party का क्या क्या काम होता है, okay? So now, first of all, to educate the mass people, okay? So foremost functions of political party is what? To educate the mass people. जो हम लोग का आम आदमी है, बहुत सारा ऐसा आदमी है जैसे इन इंडिया, okay? They were totally unknown about what is political parties, what is politics, what is election. They were totally unknown, unaware about politics, okay? So first function of political party is what? To educate them, like those peoples, about what is political parties, what is election, what is contest, what is voting rights, okay? So first function is what? To educate the mass people. Now second, what? Political awareness among the mass people. Now this is same thing, okay? Political awareness, okay? To make people aware, conscious about politics, about political parties, okay? And third, to mold public opinion. The foremost and very important function of political party is what? To mold public opinion, to listen the demand of the people, okay? What are the demands of the people? What they are demanding? उन लोग का चाहत क्या है? आदमी लोग का डिमांड क्या है? उन लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? उन लोग का जो बोली है, उन लोग का जो डिमांड है, जो उन लोग का आवाज़ है पब्लिक का, वो आवाज़ को सुनना पड़ेगा. They have to listen them. उन लोग को ध्यान से सुनना होगा. उन लोग का डिमांड क्या है? पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को सुनना होगा. ओके. एंड थर्ड, टू ट्रांसफॉर्म द पब्लिक ओपिनियन इनटू रियलिटी. पहले उसको सुन के, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे हैव टू लिसन दोज पब्लिक ओपिनियंस एंड लास्टली दे हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दोज ओपिनियंस, पब्लिक ओपिनियंस इनटू रियलिटी. उन लोग का जो डिमांड, वो लोग जो बोला है, पब्लिक लोग जो डिमांड करता है, वो डिमांड को सुन के उसको रियलिटी में क्या करना है? ट्रांसफॉर्म करने का काम है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का. So these are some functions of political parties. There are a number of functions of political parties, okay? But in our book there are provided only few functions, so you have to know at least 4 functions, okay? Because this question can arise from these topics for 4 marks or 3 marks, okay? Write down 3 or 4 functions of the political parties. So these are functions of political parties. Now we are coming to the what? Indian political party system, okay? So now political parties in India. Now we have to know, okay, how in India political parties, or from when the political parties start from India, okay? So there are 2 phases of political parties of India, before independence and after or since independence. अगर हम लोग भारत का political parties कब start हुआ वो जानना है तो हम लोग को 2 फेस जानना होगा. एक होता है बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस, मतलब 1947, बिफोर 1947 एंड आफ्टर 1947 सिंस इंडिपेंडेंस. अब सबसे पहले इन द ईयर 1885 द INC, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज फॉर्म. नाउ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस वाज द फर्स्ट पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस. एंड इन द ईयर 1885 एलन ऑक्टेवियन ह्यूम फॉर्म दिस इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. And Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of this Indian National Congress. And secondly, in the year 1906, Muslim League was formed. Now second political parties of India is what? Muslim League. Okay, formed in the year 1906 by Salimullah Khan. And third, in the year 1916, Hindu Mahasabha. Third political parties of India before independence, okay? And fourth one is what? Swaraj Party, formed by Motilal Nehru in the year 1922. So these are some political parties formed in India or emerged in India before independence. Now since independence, after independence, after 1947, what happened in 1951-52? First general election was held in India, okay? So in that particular general election, okay, before that general election, various political parties were formed in India, okay? And still till now, number of political parties were formed, okay, day by day, okay? So Janata Party, the Lok Dal, the Jana Sangha, Bharatiya Janata Party, the Communist Party, Marxist, okay? Like this, number of political parties were formed in India after independence. So question can emerge, okay, for 4 marks, okay? Like what? Write down any 4 political parties which were formed before independence or after independence. So you have to write down all these names, okay? These are before independence and these are after independence.